Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the headphones aren't working with your Anbernic RG556 console. So start with checking your headphones to eliminate the possibility that they are that your headphones are faulty, and to do so, check them with another device. Try to either plug them into another device if you're using a wired headset, or can pair them with another device if you are using Bluetooth, and check if they are connected to another device. And if the headphones aren't the issue, then try restarting both your headphones and your console. To restart your console, hold down the power button, then select restart and wait until your device is rebooted. Now, if this didn't help you, and if you still cannot hear the sound from your headphones, try going to settings, enter the sound settings, and you will find out that there are many different sliders that might indicate the current media type that you're using. And if the current media type that you're using is muted, so it says like this, and the other ones the other ones are moved to the right, then unmute your current media type by moving the slider to the right. Also, you can try turning your device off and checking if you're using a wired headset. Check for your mini jack port right here. Check if there is any debris inside, any dirt, any dust, or anything that can interfere with your connection with your headphones. If there is, try using a soft brush to carefully remove the debris. You can also remove some kind of toothpick, but be very careful not to break it so it doesn't get stuck inside this port. And do not use any metallic tools ever. Do not put any metallic tools in this port, because this will damage your device. If you're using a Bluetooth headphones, then swipe down the control center and try select your headphones on the list that you're paired with, and try to forget this device like this, and then pair it with your console once again. Check for any software updates. To check for software updates, you have to go to the last page on your apps menu, and then go to this app. Make sure that you are connected to the internet to perform this operation. Check if you have any updates, and if you do have any, then of course take your time to download and install them. And if you don't have any updates, then the next thing that you can do, especially if you're using it's actually exclusively if you are using a wired headset, is to go to settings, go to system, then go to reset options, and then select reset Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth. After you reset these settings, you'll have to reconnect to the Bluetooth to the Wi-Fi that you're currently using, and enter the password to it once again. And then try repairing your headphones once again too, and hopefully this will resolve your problem. And at this point, if your problem still isn't resolved, then this might be a hardware issue, either with your network card if there's a problem with your Bluetooth headset, or with your mini jack port, or with anything else inside your device. And in such case, you're gonna have to reach out to the repair center and tell them about this issue, and let them take care of your device instead. So that will be it for this video, and I really hope that it helped you. And if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.